Anyone who wants to try this easy turtle pie, say aye. Enjoy luscious caramel cream cheese filling, started with crunchy pecans in a chocolate graham crust with this easy dessert recipe, which we're going to show you how to make. Start by adding the pecans into a saucepan. Toast them for 3 to 4 minutes until it smells aromatic and the color turns slightly brown. Set it aside and into a bowl, add the cream cheese. Beat with an electric mixer on low speed for 4 minutes until fluffy. Then, add in the heavy cream and powdered sugar and continue to beat for 2 minutes. Set it aside and into a small bowl, pour the caramel sauce and add the toasted pecans. Toss to combine. Take out your prepared chocolate graham pie crust and place the pecan mixture on top. Make sure to spread it evenly. Now pour over the cream cheese mixture and spread it evenly. Drizzle your pie with caramel sauce and sprinkle with chopped pecans and chocolate chips on top. Now put it in the fridge and let it chill for at least 5 hours or overnight. Cut up a slice and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.